Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to work in this nice pattern. For the pattern you need to have a multiple of 4 plus 1 plus 2 stitches for edge, and the pattern can be used for scarf or rib or any other project you like. This is easy and nice pattern. Let's get started. For the pattern, as I told you, you need to have multiple of 4 stitches plus 1 plus 2 for edge. The pattern starts from row 1. You don't need to have any setup row. What you have to do, you are going to take the first one as a edge, and the second one you are going to make a pull. This one like a separation. Now we have 3. In these 3 we are going to knit the first one, but we are not going to do it in normal one. Insert the hook here, then knit 1. For the next 2 you are going to first knit the second one, then knit the first one. Now you have 3 again. Pull 1 for separation. We repeat again by knit the first one, then knit the third one first, then knit the second, like that. 1 pull. Let's do it one more time. Knit first, knit the second, and knit the first one like this. Pull 1 and the last one as a edge. This is the end of row 1. Row 2. We are going to take the first one as a edge. Now we have 1 for separation. It's better to do it like this to be a nice stitches. Now you are in the 3 stitches. What you have to do, like row 1, first we are going to knit to pull the first one. For the next 2 we are going to first pull the first one, the second one, then pull the first one like that. Exactly like row 1, but in the pull stitches. Now you are in separation. I'll do it like this. Let's do it one more time. Pull the first one, pull the third one. Oh, I missed the second one. Pull the third one, pull the second, and this one as a separation. Last one, pull the second one, like this, and the last one as a edge. That's it. This pattern is going to be repetition of these 2 rows. After a few rows the pattern should look like that. As you can see here, this is really nice, and this is the back side of the work. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.